I gotta find my way back to summer paradise. John Paul Simple Plan.
My heart is sinking as I'm lifting up above the clouds away from you.
Anak, happy birthday. Libre mo ako ah.
But someday I will find my way back to where your name is written in the sand.
Pain in my brain.
'Cause I remember every song.
Magandang araw sa'yo. Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana ang wish ko lang para sa'yo ay huwag mong pababayaan ang sarili mo. Lalo na yung nagpupuyat ka. Iwasan mo yung pagpupuyat. Wala kang maano doon, makakayayat ka lang. Basta masasabi ko, wish ko lang this day, maging masaya ka. At sana ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo.
My soul is broken, streets are frozen. I can't stop these feelings melting through. And I'd give away 1,000 days, oh, just to have another one with you.
Baby girl,
where real life can wait,
it can wait.
we're crashing like waves.
Yeah.
We're playing in the sand.
Hello, what's your name? Kevin Dicer. Birthday mo ngayon. I wish more birthday to come, more girls to come. Pero hindi mo matatalo si Dota, malakas pa rin ako sa'yo. At saka, Dre, kaibigan mo ko, hindi mo mawala sa'yo. And sana masaya ka palagi. Sige, panda ka na, inuman tayo next time. Go!
I'll be there in a heartbeat.
Quick time, girl.
Oh,
Because me sit down in the tour bus and breeze, thinking about the sunshine and the trees, summertime on the beach, so fine, and you know so that the on my main squeeze. Baby girl, you really got what me need. Feel fast, we will tell you anytime that you need in a heartbeat, girl. Sex on the beach, just say the word SP, I go reach. Loving it.
Birthday ka pa pala. Nag-birthday ka pa pala. Hindi, message ko lang sa'yo, more birthdays to come. Sana mabag ka nang magbago. Sama-sama ka rin naman sa amin, syempre, para enjoy ng tropa.
'cause I remember every sunset. I remember every word you said, and we were never gonna say goodbye. Singing la da 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 da. Tell me how to get back to summer paradise with you.
And I'll be there in a heartbeat.
I remember when we first kissed.
I remember
and how I didn't wanna leave your lips, and how I never ever felt so high. Singing la da 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 da. Tell me how to get
Happy birthday, Kevin. Good health to you and to your family. More birthdays to come.
in a heartbeat.
Quick time, girl.
Oh, and I'll be there in a heartbeat.
Quick time, girl.
Oh,
Summer paradise,
I'll be
baby.
there in a heartbeat.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, more birthday to come. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa life mo. Be happy.
Just a day, just another year. Good in our eyes, you are the best. Gonna love you above the rest. Oh, oh.
Maybe times I will smile on you. May happiness always come your way. Waiting to love.
Hi, Kisses. Happy birthday. More wishes and more birthdays to come. Take care of yourself. I wish you good health. Sana tumaba ka na.
It's come true. Happy And the years may go, but that won't change what we already know.
Happy birthday, Nick! Sana makilala mo na yung princess mo. And good health to you and to your family. Love you, Mom!
When you're feeling down, in times of trouble, we will hold your hand. You're such a great friend, and we will love you till the end.
We wish the best of what the best can be. All the best, we wish for you and all your
Happy birthday Ito, tagal na tayo nagkakasama. Sana wish ko lang sa'yo pare, bago na. Huwag ngayon puro asar-asar tayo, huwag ngayon puro ganun. Maging masaya sana tayo mga mag-aatropa. Ito lang, basta yung alay namin sa'yo mag-aatropa. Ano na lang yun, secret na namin. Salamat.
It's time to wish, it's time to give, it's time to...
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you.
Happy birthday, Kano. Kahit Kano ka, Pilipino ka pa rin. Yun lang. Happy birthday pa rin. Yun lang.